guys, so this is how you're gonna pick the right okra or five fingers in another English term. So as you can see, we have here, this is still small and this is very young. You want to know when to cut them. You don't want to cut them when they're very old because you cannot eat them. They're gonna be like woods. Say for example like this is very huge, and if you're gonna touch the body of the okra, it's very hard and you cannot bend the tip of it. See? Cannot. And it's not chewy and it's not nice anymore. So this one, let me give you a sample. See, as you can see, you can bend and you can cut and you can what's up and the tip of the okra, that means it's still young and it's good to go and just perfect size. Not this one, because this one, it's obvious it's very young, so you just use a scissor to cut it. And I'm gonna show you a quick one. Say for example this size, if you can bend, see, so it's still good to go. It's still good for your dish to eat. You don't need to really like cut. Okay, you just have to touch it when it's very soft, then it's good to go. So that's it. That's very easy how to determine when to cut your okra. Well, you cannot say that the old one is useless anymore, but you can use this as seeds. You can let it grow old or let it go brown in color on the stem, and you can collect the seeds after that and you can report them. Simple as that.
That one?
Yeah. So that's it, guys. There'll be more okra growing in one tree or one plant. Thank you for watching.